Hi, my name's Amy and I'm here today shooting for Clip Hair's Redhead campaign. Being a redhead is literally my identity. It's all I've ever known. My ultimate redhead icon of all time would have to be Jessica Rabbit. Some products that are essential for my red hair would be hair oil, because being a redhead, my hair is quite coarse and thick and oil really tames my mane. The hairstyle that brings my red hair to life is definitely a big bouncy blow dry. 3 emojis that describe being a redhead is the fox head, flame and the orange love heart. My hair colour does affect my wardrobe choices. I tend to go for autumnal colours like greens, navies, browns, and I try to avoid orange and red. My message to all the redheads in the world is embrace it and enjoy it. It's a gift.